you suck at getting haircuts. Now, I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you saw my hair and you want the same kind of vibe. I hate that word, vibe. It sounds so chronically online, but I am though. God. Wow, silly me, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Fashion Elitist, aka JQ. Today we're gonna be talking about how I get my haircuts and how I style my hair specifically. So maybe these tips might help you, maybe they won't. Let's find out. I'll toss it back over to old JQ. The thing is, when you're growing out your hair or you're trying to get it longer, and even if you have long hair, my friend, listen to me. Get your hair layered, my guy, please. All in the haircut, trust me. If you get a terrible haircut, it will make you look terrible. With longer hair, your hair does get weighed down because of the length, right? Clearly, duh. So that means you're going to have to compensate for something, which means you just get your hair layered. Even if it's short, get it layered. What the layering does is it allows your hair to kind of sit back on your head in a specific way, and it kind of just allows it to have that flow. Then you also have to get it textured. Ask for those two things. But if you show people a picture of my hair, I'm sure they'll get that same kind of vibe. What I plan on doing is I'm gonna get the top layered, and then I'm gonna get it textured. I'm also gonna get maybe the back layered as well, and then maybe cut some of the dead ends off of here just for hair maintenance. But anyway,
let's get into how I actually style my hair.
I'm gonna be doing my styling when I have longer hair before I get my hair cut. And
JQ, the narrator, is gonna take over now. So basically you're gonna get your microfiber cloth and you're just going to go in the scrunching moment, as you can see here, and you're just gonna scrunch your hair all the way around. And basically what that does is it allows your hair to kind of curl or wave out, and it just absorbs all the water you need to. So now this is the first product that I use. I use a scalp tonic by Colton King, basically, and you're just gonna rub that all over your scalp. Our next product is gonna be my styling cream from Colton King as well. This is something I use quite often. You're gonna put it in your hands, let it emulsify, and basically just rake that in, but I scrunch it too, as I scrunched with the towel as well. Now we're on to our second thing, the brushing technique. So what you're gonna do is brush your top of the head all the way back. I know it's gonna look really stupid, but this gets the job done. It adds that volume that you want and that we're looking for. And yeah, you're gonna look really stupid for a while. Just let your hair dry like this. For technique number 3, you're gonna just pinch your hair back, and this just allows the hair to kind of wave or form back because you're just teasing the hair to go in that motion. It works really well, trust me. And also, side note, get one of these plastic combs. Are really good for distributing your conditioner while you take a shower, and it also detangles your hair, so definitely get one of those. Our next technique is the splitting motion, where we get our middle part. So I usually like to split it between my eyebrow, and you just kind of part the waves right there, right in the middle. And after you part the waves, all you gotta do is just let it dry like this, and it's just gonna look amazing, trust me. And with that, that's all this narrator has to really say, so I'll see you when I see you.
While my hair dries, I'm going to cook. We're back. This is my hair. As you can see, the sides are like pretty dry and the top is still wet. So what we're gonna do is let this kind of fall naturally a little bit like that, and boom, we're done. That was pretty easy. And all you're gonna wanna do is get the pieces that are a little stubborn and just pull them back like that. Pretty much just twist them to the back to create that flow. Then from there, you just kind of let your hair do what it wants and you're good. That's how I style my hair every day.
And what's up, everybody? I'm back. This is what my hair looks like dry. Completely ignore what I'm saying in this clip. Who cares? But for this next part, I'm going to teach you how to blow dry your hair. There's a technique with it. It's called the blow drying technique. Wow. So let's get into it. After you microfiber cloth your hair and or use a cotton t-shirt to dry your hair, you're going to grab your very crappy blow dryer, and I'm going to show you this technique here that we're getting ourselves involved into. So basically, I had already parted my hair down. As you can see, everything's like parted down and the way I like it. So this is JQ's technique part 1, numero uno. What you're going to do is you're going to use the direction to really just push your hair back, blow dry it in that direction that you want it to go, which is creating that nice flow and that volume. As you can see, I kind of claw my hair and I push it up, and that just allows it to get that volume that we're looking for with the top of the head. But I'll direct the airflow towards the area that I want my hair to go, so we're pushing it back, while I'm also pinching the the hair or teasing it and pulling it to the back like that, where it creates that nice kind of draping with the hair where it flows like that. So this just allows my hair to kind of set that way with the heat that we're providing it. Now you might get a lot of flyaways, and that's totally fine. All you got to really do is rake your hair back like I'm doing here, and that's pretty much going to be the whole technique. You're just going to do that till it's either completely dry or slightly wet, so you just let it kind of air dry. And this is just my tip. I heavily recommend putting some type of heat protectant in so that you avoid getting any more heat damage, because you really don't want that. But you're pretty much just going to do this the whole time, and your hair will dry very nicely, and it's a lot faster, especially if you have longer hair. And this is the final result. Looks very luscious, very beautiful. I look really sexy, not gonna lie. Anyway, and like the absentee father I am, I'm going to once again leave you waiting for me to come back, so the narrator is going to go and buy some milk. I'll see you back home soon, son.
Let's go get my haircut. Morning, chat. It's time to get a haircut. Oh, never mind. This is what my hair looks like first thing in the morning. Really messy and unmanageable. Some kid ended up buying these Capital pants for me, so I'm gonna pack these up before I eat, and then we'll go drop them off when I go get my haircut. Today I'm going to be wearing a tank top, these Adsole pants, a denim jacket, the Eric Paynes. Pretty normie outfit. Got the archive ring. Check out the back though. Wait, dog on the back. All right, let's get out of here.
Today we're joined by this person. And we're here. I lied. Wrong place.
So they took me into like a back room, and like dude was just going ham.
Did he even talk to you?
Yeah, he chatted with me, like, but this is like my haircut. I did get it styled though. He did style it. Here, come over here. Come this way. Follow me, cameraman. The thing is, like, my hair is going to be flat because I did shampoo it, but like, you can see like the stare, like here, like this is shorter than this. It's like what I wanted. But I got the top layered, textured. Like, you can see the different lengths of hair. Like, it looks so good. He did cut it like fast though. He was like, when I do style it, it's going to be probably a little up more, but it looks good, just in general.
You look like an actual anime character. Like, this is how they draw anime characters.
I look like Rangoku.
Why did you
I said
Goku?
Rangoku. His hair.
I look ran through right now, guys.
Like, his hair is like spiky. Okay, but we're gonna go get coffee now. It was an $80 haircut, FYI. That's not that bad. Coffee acquired. See, they only serve 12 ounces, but this is actually 16.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's funny.
But they always fill it up, so, you know, that's how you scam. That's scamming method. All right, coffee taste test. Pretty good.
Try mine.
6 out of 10. No, 8 out of 10 satisfactory.
Dang.
Decent. Well, look at these guys. That's how you wear all black. Hi, excuse me. When was the, this is the method, everybody.
I'm stuck. I want to be interviewed. I need someone to tell me I'm important enough to interview.
We're in Influencer Square Park right now, and there's like 3 interviewers going on right now. I'm the 3rd interviewer.
I'm recording the recorders. Interview me.
No, we're gonna do a bit where I interview the interviewer, and we'll drip check him. I think he's wearing Palace or something.
What are you wearing today?
Okay, so fit check.
What's on?
Okay, so fit check. So I have some Old Navy on. I don't know if we can get Old Navy to sponsor us, but yeah, we have some Old Navy. Then I do have a vintage Jordan shirt underneath here, right? $10, pretty
Why
cool.
are you hiding it under the hoodie?
It's too cold.
It's
too cold.
It's a
Yep.
little cold.
And then these are Muji pants, which Muji best
Muji's
pants in the
super
game.
good.
Best pants
Yeah,
in the
I
game.
love
And then we have some New
Balances.
Balances, right? The 515s.
On trend.
Right? Yeah, very data me.
What's your style tip?
My style tip, keep it simple. You can obviously throw in like an interesting piece, but I would say try to have like one interesting piece as opposed to like 6 or 7.
And what are you guys filming?
We're doing like a Snapchat Truth or Dare show called If You Dare.
Just back early quarantine.
Okay.
I'm walking back home. I'm gonna go home, shower. I also had to leave Kay because they had to go back and do work or whatever, but we'll see how my hair looks actually styled and how I typically style it. All right, I'm home. So let's get showered and then we'll be back to see how my hair is styled. All right, people, I'm back. Look at my hair. My hair, it's looking great. Look at this. We got the nice layers going on. He did thin out the this over here, this area. And honestly, it looks pretty good. It's still drying a little bit, but it's gonna take a little bit of time. But as you can see, look at that. Look at the nice texture. It goes back. Wow. All I asked for to get this haircut is for the top to be layered, textured. The sides, same thing. The thing is, for the sides here and the back, you're gonna have to grow it out. Again, just get it layered and then get it textured and then just follow the instructions of how I styled it from the beginning. But with that, I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna be doing weekly videos, so I'll see you in the next one. And with that, later drainers. Well, if you're still here, remember to watch one of these videos and watch the other videos that I produce, and remember to subscribe and like. Also, I recommend checking out my Patreon. I'm doing some interesting stuff over there. Link in bio in my description. Check out my Instagram. It's just fashion.elitist. You can find me quite easily. I hope to catch you in the next video. Have a awesome, amazing, cool, sexy, amazing day with your new haircut. Your hair doesn't look like mine, and it should look like mine because I'm the blueprint.